Welcome back, architecture enthusiasts. As we delve deeper into the Alice Millard house, La Miniatura, let's uncover the visionary approach that Frank Lloyd Wright took during this period of his career. While simultaneously exploring designs of gables and high-pitched roofs in Oak Park in Buffalo, Wright was also pushing the boundaries of innovation in the Southern California region, where he was then residing. Wright's work in Southern California, including the Barnsdall Project, marked a new direction influenced by the region's climate. This shift was a departure from the elaborate integral ornamentation seen in other locations. Now, let's focus on La Miniatura, a project that transformed what was considered a common and mundane material in construction, the concrete block, into a poetic form it had never known. Alice Millard, a former client and dealer in rare books and antiques, commissioned Wright for a design that would serve as both a residence and an antique shop. Wright's vision was to elevate the concrete block, often viewed as an outcast in the building industry, into a thing of beauty, textured like the trees that surrounded it. He envisioned a house that would harmonize with its natural surroundings and provide a fireproof haven for precious collections. These textile blocks, with intricate patterns inspired by Mayan and Aztec art, serve as both structural elements and decorative features. They bring a tactile and visual richness to the exterior, creating a textured tapestry that not only defines the house but also establishes a profound connection with the surrounding landscape. Wright's fascination with integrating nature into his designs is evident in the textile blocks of La Miniatura. The blocks were not just functional. They became a medium for expressing the beauty of the natural world. Through careful consideration of pattern, texture, and placement, Wright achieved a poetic harmony between the man-made structure and the organic patterns found in the environment. Moving inside, the textile blocks continue to play a significant role. The double walls, facing both inside and outside, create continuous, hollow spaces. This innovative design ensures that the house remains cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and dry throughout the year. The interior spaces adorned with these blocks serve as a perfect backdrop for showcasing art, fine books, and tapestries. Wright's meticulous attention to detail extends seamlessly from the exterior to the interior, creating a cohesive and immersive architectural experience. Now let's shift our focus to the thoughtful floor plans that define the spatial organization of La Miniatura. Situated in a ravine, the house is stacked in 3 levels, each contributing to the overall functionality and aesthetic appeal of the residence. The entrance, located on the 2nd level, provides access to the living room, also known as the studio. This space faces west, offering breathtaking views of the ravine. A central fireplace becomes a focal point, and a staircase leads both down and up, creating a dynamic connection between levels. A guest room and bathroom complete this level, with an outdoor stairway providing access to the terrace and the ravine below. The lower level, featuring a terrace at the pool, houses the dining room, kitchen, maid's room, and bathroom. This level is designed to provide a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces, taking advantage of the natural surroundings. Further spaces for storage on either side of the dining room add practicality to the design. The living room extends vertically, creating a 2-story high space with a mezzanine level overlooking it. Behind the central fireplace facing east, you'll find the owner's bedroom and bath. This level also grants access to a roof terrace over the garage, offering an additional outdoor space to enjoy the surroundings. The 2nd level serves as the main entrance to La Miniatura. As you step inside, you encounter the living room, initially referred to as the studio by Wright. This space faces west, offering panoramic views of the ravine. The central fireplace becomes a focal point, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A staircase adjacent to the fireplace leads both downward and upward, connecting various levels of the house. Additionally, a guest room and bathroom complete this level, and an outdoor stairway provides access to the terrace and the ravine below. Descending to the lower level, you'll discover a carefully designed space that houses the dining room, kitchen, maid's room, and a bathroom. This level opens up to a terrace at the pool, seamlessly integrating indoor and outdoor living. The strategic placement of spaces, including storage areas on either side of the dining room, ensures practicality while maintaining a sense of openness. As we conclude our exploration of the sectional plans of La Miniatura, it's evident that each level contributes to the overall spatial harmony of the house. The thoughtful organization of spaces, the interplay between indoor and outdoor living, and the vertical connection between levels showcase Frank Lloyd Wright's mastery in creating not just a house, but a living work of art. And there you have it, fellow architecture enthusiasts, our journey through the Alice Millard house, La Miniatura, designed by the brilliant Frank Lloyd Wright. From the innovative use of textile blocks to the thoughtful floor plans and sectional designs, we've uncovered the layers of this architectural gem. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more content on remarkable architectural wonders. Until next time, keep exploring the world of design, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.